Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Eufy doorbell camera going offline, troubleshoot Wi-Fi, power and firmware issues. Fix 1. Check the Wi-Fi connection. Open the Eufy security app and check if your doorbell shows as offline. Now move your Wi-Fi router closer to the doorbell if the signal is weak. Then restart your router and wait a few minutes and check if the doorbell comes back online. Fix 2. Restart the Eufy doorbell. Turn off the doorbell or disconnect its power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn the doorbell back on and wait for it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Then check the Eufy security app. Fix 3. Reset the doorbell. Find the reset/sync button on your Eufy doorbell and press and hold the button according to your model's instruction. Now wait for the reset process to finish and open the Eufy security app, then add and connect the doorbell again. Fix 4. Reconnect the doorbell to Wi-Fi. Open the Eufy security app and select your doorbell. Now open settings and look for the Wi-Fi/network option. Then follow the instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi again. Now wait until the connection is complete. Fix 5. Check the doorbell battery. Open the Eufy security app and check the doorbell's battery level. If the battery is low, charge it fully. Then reinstall the battery or reconnect the doorbell and check if the camera is back online. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.